What are the different types of indirect calorimetry? Have you ever wondered how athletes know exactly how much energy they are using during training? One of the key methods to find this out is through indirect calorimetry. This technique measures the gases we breathe out, specifically oxygen and carbon dioxide, to estimate energy expenditure. Let's break down the different types of indirect calorimetry and how they apply to fitness and wellness careers in sports, as well as sports nutrition and dietetics. First up is open-circuit indirect calorimetry. This is the most common method used in sports settings. Here, an individual breathes in regular air, and the equipment measures the volume and concentration of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air they exhale. Typically, a metabolic cart or a portable gas analyzer is used, often with a mask or mouthpiece. This method helps assess resting metabolic rate and energy expenditure during exercise. It's practical for athletes looking to tailor their nutrition and training programs based on their specific energy needs. Next, we have closed-circuit indirect calorimetry. In this method, the individual breathes from a closed system where oxygen is consumed and carbon dioxide is absorbed chemically. The decrease in oxygen concentration over time is measured to estimate energy expenditure. While this method can provide accurate data, it is less commonly used due to its complexity and the limited duration of tests. It is more suited for controlled laboratory environments. Another method is the total collection method. This involves gathering all the expired gases over a certain period to directly measure oxygen consumption and carbon dioxide production. While this method is accurate, it can be cumbersome and is generally used more in research than in practical sports settings. Lastly, we have the confinement method. This involves placing the individual in a metabolic chamber where air exchange is controlled and measured. It allows for continuous measurement of gas exchange over extended periods. While this method is useful for detailed metabolic studies, it is less practical for everyday sports nutrition assessments. Understanding these different types of indirect calorimetry is essential for careers in sports nutrition and dietetics. For instance, measuring resting metabolic rate helps determine baseline calorie needs for athletes. Assessing energy expenditure during various exercises can optimize training loads. Evaluating substrate utilization guides nutrition strategies, such as carbohydrate loading or fat adaptation. Moreover, monitoring changes in metabolism over time allows for adjustments in diet and exercise plans, which can lead to performance improvement or effective weight management. In sports nutrition and dietetics careers, the open-circuit method using portable metabolic carts is particularly valuable. It enables professionals to provide precise recommendations for energy intake and expenditure, ensuring athletes meet their performance and health goals without overexertion or undernourishment. By knowing the different types of indirect calorimetry, sports nutritionists and dietitians can choose the right methods based on the context and needs of the athletes they work with.